This kit's neat. This is a through socket kit. So basically what this allows you to do is put a socket on here. So I'll show you in a second. Like that, okay? It goes from 13 all the way up to 14. And what you're able to do is basically put this through like a long bolt. So for example, like here, right? You see it sticks out at the end, and then you're still able to ratchet this. Has two, right? Two ways. You can go forward and in reverse. But yeah, that's a real nice, and it's, you know, it's nice. You can use this like on all thread. If you wanted to use the ratchet on with normal sockets, you can. You have these two attachments here that allow you to put a normal socket on it. And also it has an extension, which I thought was a little weird, so I'm not sure why you would want an extension. I'll push this out. There you go. But it has an extension as well that is hollow, so if you wanted to extend, you could, okay? I guess if you're trying to reach somewhere far away. But yeah, 24 all the way down to 13, really neat little kit. Definitely one of those get yourself out of jail kits. I'll show you another one. So you got 14 here. And if I take the 14, I can put this on there. And normally, you know, you wouldn't be able to get a ratchet on, let's see, like this bolt right here, right? Because it's sticking out. But with this one, I can, right? So if I had a normal ratchet on there, probably a deep socket will work. But in this case, I can get on there. So that's what these are for. They're really neat. Definitely get you out of a jam and keeps you not having to grab pliers and, you know, rotate it out a million times. You can actually use a ratchet. So really cool kit. It stays all together. I like that it's in a kit because it's definitely a specialty tool. You want to keep all these sockets together. You don't want to mix them in with the other sockets. And it locks closed just like that.